how to open YouTube. This a brief video on how to open YouTube on your Android phone. Now, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can open YouTube on your Android phone. I'm also going to make a video how to open YouTube on your desktop PC, that is a computer. But right now, I'm going to show you practical step on how you can open your YouTube on your Android phone. Now, let me go to my Android phone. Let me open it. All right. So as you can see from my screen, if you want to open your YouTube, if you want to open YouTube on your phone, you make sure that YouTube application is downloaded on your phone or you have it already. Then when you have it, you scroll down, you're going to see that I have a YouTube application here, and I also have YouTube Music here, and I also have YouTube Studio here. These are three different YouTube application that you need as a YouTuber because they're going to help you a lot. YouTube application can help you to quickly access your YouTube account. Then YouTube Music can also help you to get videos. I mean, sounds, audios that you can use for your videos. And YouTube Studio can also help you to access or see the insight or oversight of your YouTube channel. Now, to open your YouTube, when you have the application on your phone, you just click on YouTube. Then it will open, as simple as that. Only if you have it on your phone already. Then if you can also, if you want to see your profile on your YouTube, normally when you open your YouTube, you can see a profile here. Your profile most times takes you to your YouTube channel. So it shows you something like this. Yes. Now, but in case you don't have a YouTube on your phone, what you're going to do is just quickly go to Play Store. When you open your Play Store, you go to search bar and type in YouTube. Then it's right here. You click on YouTube. Then you wait for some moment while, okay, now the YouTube is here. So I have it downloaded already. That's why you can see, that is why you can see open. That's where you can see open because it is already downloaded. But if you don't have it on your phone, what you're going to do is to click on download or install. Then YouTube will download on your phone. Then you can easily get it on your phone screen like this. So this is just exactly how you can download YouTube on your phone and how you can open YouTube on your phone. It's very simple and easy. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. All right, so as you can see from my screen, if you want to open your YouTube, if you want to open YouTube on your phone, you make sure that YouTube application is downloaded on your phone or you have it already. Then when you have it, you scroll down, you're going to see that I have a YouTube application here, and I also have YouTube Music here, and I also have